Hey everybody, Bob here and welcome to another Making Stuff video. I apologize, I have not posted a video in a while. That's because it is hay season and I have been busy baling hay and I have not had time to make stuff. So this is just going to be a quick little video where I show you how I take some scrap metal and some cutoffs left over from a project that I cut on the plasma cutter and I turned it into cash. So let's head over to the welding table and I'll show you how I did it. All right, so I've got a bunch of letters here. These are actually cutouts. This is what was left over from a sign that I made for somebody, and they wanted it to be like a silhouette where it was cut out, you know, like a stencil, so that the letters had the light shining through them. I've also got a weather vane here that's a cutout. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these up with some 60 grit sanding discs on the angle grinder, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to assemble all this together and make something out of it that I can sell. Alright, so I've got those letters all cleaned up and I have them laying face down on the table here, and I've got a 1/2 inch rod here. It's just, actually it's a square tube, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay it down here on the center of this, like so. And now I'm going to go through with the MIG welder and I'm going to weld the letters to this 1/2 inch tube. Okay, so I've got the letters all welded on that 1/2 inch square tube, and now you can see what direction I'm going here. I've got the word welcome spelled out. So now I'm going to take the weather vane and I'm going to weld it to the top like so, and then that will complete the welding of my little sign here. Okay, so here's the sign. It's all welded together, and it only took me about 15 minutes to make this. So here's something very simple that you can make from scraps if you just think outside the box. And I'm thinking I could probably sell this for about $40 or $50 online. So that's not bad for something I don't have any money in. Okay, so here's another way I could have made that sign. Let's say I didn't have those cutoffs. How would I make that sign out of scrap metal? Well, here's all of the little leftover sheets off the plasma cutter from little projects that I've worked on, and you can see there's not much metal left. But if you look right here in this corner, I could make one letter right here. And then if I go to the next sheet here, again, there's not a whole lot left, but I can make one letter here and probably another one there. So there's 3 of my letters. And if I just keep going through these sheets, you can see right here I could probably get 2 letters out of this. So this is all stuff that was going to go to the scrap yard, but by saving it and getting the most out of each piece, that's going to be another way that I can have made that sign without cutting into a brand new piece of metal. And like I said, all this is just scrap that I really had no plans. I've made the signs and the projects and everything out of it, and it's just sitting here. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, please give me that big thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber, please consider subscribing and ring that bell so you don't miss any upcoming Making Stuff videos. And thanks for watching.